We'll guide you through how to connect to a VPN on a laptop. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. It goes and creates a tunnel for your internet traffic. So may go and have one provided by your workplace, your school, or you may go and have another one you want to go and connect to, or you may even want to go and find a VPN to connect to. We're covering this in this video. So make sure it's this full guide and don't skip anything, otherwise you may go and miss an important part. So with this guide, I'm going to guide you through also finding a VPN you can go and connect to. Of course, you want to make sure you use a VPN you trust because it can go and see the data you're accessing. So to go and get started, I'm going to go and search for a site called VPN Gate. Now, as I said, you may be in the situation of where you already have a VPN with the details you need to join, which I'll guide you through adding in a moment. I just need to get some details and we can then scroll down and we can go and find some different VPNs we can go and connect to. Now, what we can do is go and press the Windows Start button and we can go and find settings here, or you can search for them at the top, wait for this to load. You need to come over to the left and you need to go and find the option for network and internet. In here, go and find VPN. You want to press add VPN in the top right. At the top, you can go and choose the name. So you can name what you want. I'll just name it VPN. For the server name or address, you need to go and grab this. So in this case, it's at the top here. Select it and you can then right click and press copy and return. And we can then go and paste it in here like so. So this VPN type is SSTP. It can go and vary. So you need to go and check that and then enter in the username and password. So you need to go and get this. If you're using VPN Gate, it will be VPN for username and VPN for password. Press save and it will then be added, and you can go to the right and you can go and press connect. Now it will go and verify things and it's completing the connection. And as you can see, we're now successfully connected and we're using the VPN. That's it. And if you want to disconnect, you can.